Unang-una, since we already talk about investments, very important that you learn how to budget. Kasi saan ka kukuha ng pera pang save at pang invest mo kung ubos na yung pera mo sa everyday na gastos mo pa lang. So very important to start with learning how to manage your money. Believe it or not, ang first step dyan is to track your expenses. Huwag mo muna isipin yung budget. Just take note of saan ba pupunta yung pera mo, saan mo siya ginagastos. Kasi once na malaman mo kung ano yung mga common expenses mo, it's easier to first allocate a budget para sa, for example, sa food, sa transpo, etc. And even give yourself a budget para sa mga wants, no? Para dun sa healing ng inner child mo. Kasi hindi naman masama yun. And I understand that sometimes you need to buy things that you feel you deserve, things that make you happy. Ang sa akin lang is make sure that you're not overspending. So, how do you know if you're overspending, or how do you know exactly how much your budget is for your shopping? Then, you first track your expenses so that you know exactly na ito yung limit ko sa paggastos.
Ano yung key on how to manage our bonuses wisely while, properly rewarding yourself, but still, leaving some for investments?
Sa akin, ang priority mo dapat dyan is yung magbayad ng utang. Yeah? Kasi, yes, deserve mo makabili ng mga bagong gamit, pero deserve mo rin na hindi ma-stress sa mga tawag ng mga collecting agencies, di ba? Kasi, bibili ka ng napakagandang mga skincare. Useless yan kung stress ka kasi magkaka-wrinkles ka rin sa kakaisip sa mga utang mo, di ba? So, prioritize paying your debt. Once na mabayaran mo na yung mga utang mo or okay na yung mga loans mo, I think you can choose kung saan mo gagamitin yung mga bonuses. You can probably buy something that you've always wanted, something that you've been longing to buy for yourself. Kasi, deserve mo to. Pero, unahin yung utang. Yun lang yung simple kong request eh. Sayang yung extra money that you'll get. So, at least, pay off your debt, your loans.
I see now everything is pretty clear, but where do you suggest we invest our bonuses? If we want to invest that bonus, where would you suggest that they do it?
Oh, very interesting yan because iba-iba kasi yung mga tao. Ang lagi kong tanong is, ano ba yung bagay na gusto mong bilhin and kailan yon? Because your investment choice will depend on your financial goal. Ngayon, kung wari sinabi nila na wala naman ako masyadong goal, which is the common answer, then I tell them, then the best goal is to put that money in a low-risk investment kasi it now becomes part of your emergency fund.
Tama.
Kung wala kang balak bilhin, just put it in your emergency fund. So, saan siya pwedeng ilagay? Pwede sa time deposit or money market fund, any low-risk investment. But if you really have a specific goal in mind,